In this video we are going to see how to plot a velocity time graph for uniform acceleration. Now a small recap or we recall of acceleration. What is acceleration? It is the change in velocity upon time. When you talk about change in velocity upon time, the definition becomes acceleration. And if the change of velocity with the respective time is constant, then it is called as uniform acceleration. Here you can see that the change in velocity of a car in specific intervals of time is given in the following tables. The time interval is of every 5 seconds: 0, 5, 10, 15, 10, 20, 25, 30 and 35. And the velocity intervals of the velocity is 8. You can see this is the table of an 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and 56. It means the interval of the velocity, final velocity and initial velocity is the same. If you have heard my previous first lecture of this chapter, you might be clear with the velocity and what is the velocity, so you can understand what I am saying over here. Velocity is final velocity minus initial velocity. So over here you can see 16 minus 8 will become 8, 24 minus 16 will become 8, 32 minus 24 will become 8. Means after interval of same time 5 seconds, the interval of velocity is 8 meters per second. We're going to plot a graph. On x-axis you're going to take again the same time, but on y-axis you're going to consider velocity. Now you're going to consider the velocity as per the same table, or you can say as per the column given over here. On y-axis 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. And on y-axis 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We're going to start plotting the graph. First point will be 0, 0. Second will be 5, 8. Third one will be 10, 16. Fourth 15, 24. Fifth 20, 32. Now you can see after plotting a graph we are joining all the points and you get a straight line. So it means velocity is uniform. Acceleration is uniform. Another method to know whether the acceleration is uniform, you can find by the formula of a slope. Let us consider the point A and point B. Now, what is point A? It is 10, 16. And what is point B? 20, 32. By the slope formula, you can say that acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon time traveled, difference between the time traveled. So it will become what? 32 minus 16 divided by 20 minus 10, 8 upon 10. Zero 0.8 meter per second square acceleration. Similarly, when you're going to see the third point, if I consider this point as C point and you consider it as 30, 48. So here acceleration will become 48 minus 32 upon 30 minus 20. Again same, difference is 8 upon 10, 0.8 meter per second square. You can see the acceleration between point A and B and C is same, 0.8 meter per second square. So we can say that the acceleration is constant, and you can call it as uniform acceleration. The velocity changes by equal amount in equal time. So it is called as uniform acceleration. All uniform acceleration in the velocity time graph will show you a straight line. Whereas when you talk about non-uniform acceleration, the velocity time graph may have any shape, that is, either it will be a curve, either it will be a slope, so it will show a change in acceleration.